In this video, I'm going to show you how to get icons in Figma. If you're referring to symbols like percentage signs, hashtags, and other basic characters, it's very simple. You can just hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and press the number keys to get those symbols. However, if you're referring to the icons that you typically see while typing on a mobile phone, you can add those using a plugin in Figma. To do this, click on the Actions icon in your toolbar. Depending on your version, your toolbar may appear at the bottom of your screen or at the upper left-hand side. Either way, click on the Actions icon, then click on Plugins and Widgets. Once you're in this section, search for the plugin called Icons 8. When it appears, click on it. You'll also notice other icon plugins you can explore if you wish. But for this example, click on Icons 8 and then click on Run. Once the plugin runs, click on the Icons tab to enter the Icons section. Here you'll find a wide variety of icons, many of which resemble the ones found on mobile devices. If you want to explore different types of icons, click on the drop-down menu, select All, and you'll be able to browse the full collection. You can also search for specific icons using the search box. For instance, type in Book and hit Enter, and you'll see all icons related to books. You can also search by app. If you type WhatsApp and press Enter, you'll see all icons related to that app. Click on any icon you want, and it will appear on your Figma canvas. Later, if you want to add more icons, you don't have to go back through the Actions menu. Instead, simply right-click on your screen, hover over Plugins, and you'll see Icons 8 listed there. Click on it to continue importing icons. That's how you can add icons in Figma.